Project Lilibet, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Lilibet is painted full gloss Grosvenor green with silver accents. Project Lilibet sits on 16-inch Chilton white Wolf wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights, 6-point full external roll cage, NAS-style rear bumper, and a rear work flat. Inside, Lilibet features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with vintage gauges, Corbeau Sport front and mid-row seats, with 2 inward-facing benches in the rear. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Bellissimo brioche leather, stitched together in white. This 110 is powered by a 6.2 litre GM V8 50-state compliant engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Lilibet also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen, stereo with Pioneer speakers, rear AC and access to charging points throughout.